Hi guys, today I'm going to do a makeup tutorial, and it's kind of like a review on Morphe because this is the first time I ever purchased Morphe before, and a lot of my subscribers were like, you should try Morphe. And also I've seen on YouTube like everybody has a Morphe's palette, and they just opened up a Morphe store in my like town area, like in Scottsdale. If you know, in Arizona there's a Scottsdale, there's Fashion Square Mall. They have a Morphe store in there, and I went there and I got the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I have been messing around with this palette a lot, and so far I absolutely love it. It's gotten me out of my comfort zone. I've been using more colors and all that jazz, so I'm going to do something that I haven't done. I think I'm going to use like these teal colors down here to create a look. I feel like I say a lot because I haven't made a video in a minute, so I still have to get back into the swing of things. And then I got the highlight, which is the high impact highlighter in Mirage, I guess it is. It's an M-I-R-A-G-E, Mirage. But this highlighter looks really pretty. It's the darkest one, so I'm excited to try this out too, even though I've tried it out. I've tried all these products out, but I wanted to show you guys me using it and show you like what it actually looks like. And then I got the Morphe setting spray. This stuff is freaking bomb.com. It is $15, so it is a little pricey. It's basically the same price as a MAC setting spray, but this stuff is phenomenal. Like, let me set my face because I just did like my foundation, so like, oh, like the mist is very, very light, which I like, so it doesn't make you have like spots on your face or anything like that after you put the makeup on. So I love that. Hopefully I didn't get it on the palette. Probably did. Sorry that my baby hairs look a little crusty. I added Got To Be. Like, it's like, I don't know how people do Got To Be without it looking crusty dusty, but whatever. Don't judge me. So we're gonna hop right in to, I guess, the tutorial. I'm not that good at tutorials, but this is a tutorial, you feel me? So let's hop right into it. I want to use a highlighter like so bad. For some reason I just need some glow on my face, so hopefully I don't get fallout, because if I get fallout I cannot brush it away. Since I already sprayed my face, it should be Metro Boomin'. So we're going to put it on. I feel like it is super pretty. I wore this most of the days when I didn't wear makeup. I think it gave my skin a glow without too much. It's not super intense like the Fenty like Trophy Wife or like the Anastasia ones where it's like super packed with glitter. This is actually like a glow. I think it's gorgeous, especially for just an everyday glow, if I must say. I'm gonna put some on my nose. I've been feeling the nose highlight lately. Like, I feel like it's making my nose look a little bit snatched, and then because I have a dent on my nose right here, and I kind of go around that to make it the rest of my nose go up more, and then that one doesn't look so, does that make sense? Because my dent is so low in. I don't know. I was trying to think of a logic where it's like it doesn't stand out as much, but I guess it does stand out more. I don't know if I should put it on my dent. But yeah, so I think it's pretty. It's Metro Boomin' without too much. I did get the Morphe brush. I forgot to use that. I was going to use this. This is the Morphe M510. This was next to the highlighting stuff, so I'm guessing it's like a highlighter brush. It is very, very small, but it's cute. She's cute, so I am freaking highlighted to the gods. Like, when you get a new highlighter, you freaking go crazy. But I'm gonna set my face. Woo! So this glow is actually really, really pretty. I love it. It's very natural, not too much, not like, it doesn't make you look ashy. I did get the darkest one, so I feel like if I went a little bit lighter, it probably made me look a little ashy, but this looks really pretty on like dark skin, brown skin girls. Like, I feel like it would look good, but I feel like it would look good on tan girls too. So that's what it looks like. I hope you guys can see the glow. Okay, so let's get into the makeup. We're gonna do we're gonna test our limits, and we're gonna do a cut crease. Okay, so I zoomed in a little bit, so hopefully you can see my face. I'm not sure because I don't have one of those flippy thingies. I've just been using my mirror. Seeing, it looks like I am. So like I said before, I'm doing a cut crease. So I'm gonna start off with the crease part, if I can remember correctly, and I'm gonna use colors that I don't typically use, so hopefully this ends up turning nicely. Oh crap, I grabbed the wrong color. So I'm going to go into this color right here. It's the one on the bottom. I'm going to use these two shades, basically probably deepen it up with the black so you guys know what colors I'm using without me having to show like 50,000 times. So I'm going to first start off with the matte color because I feel like that's a good base for my crease. I did put like concealer on and powder just to set it a little bit. I hope this is pretty. This palette in particular is pretty pigmented. I don't know about the other palettes. I haven't tried them. This is the first Morphe palette that I have tried, but I'm guessing that it would be all pigmented because, I mean, it's the same company. But people say that this one is a little bit it's like formulated a little bit different. So okay, so now I'm going to bring the blue or turquoise, or like, I don't know what color. It's like a green blue. I'm going to put this under my waterline, my bottom lash line, and connect that together. So now I'm going to go into a little bit of black so that I can deepen the outer corner just a little bit. Not too much because we still want that green to pop. Like so. It's very, I like dabbed it like 1-2, that's it, and I added it to the outer corner. So that's all blended, and now we're going to cut the crease. This part is the hard part for me. Okay, so I practice on this side. So I'm gonna cut my crease with the Pro Longwear concealer, and this is in the color Fawn. I just took some out and I put it in the back of my hand, and I'm going to cut or carve out my crease with this concealer. I'm using the brush literally because I couldn't find like a brush to use, so I'm just gonna use this. And I just slowly pack on the color. Hopefully it looks the same. And then I'm going to set it with this color, which is right next to the color that I used for my crease. I'm going to let it dry a little bit so it doesn't get too tacky. So this is what it looks like. This color is so pretty. And then I'm just going to pack it on. Yeah, I may have added a little bit too much concealer on this eye, but we're gonna make it work. Okay, so I lined my lid and then I added some falsies. I added the EYLURE Silk Effect lashes. It's this one right here. I don't know what style it is, but it's like the mink ones, but that's what this is. That's the lashes I use. So I think it looks really pretty because it's like spiky, so you can still see the cut crease and all that other stuff. It's not like over dramatic with the lashes where it covers all your work. So now I'm just gonna add like a normal lip. I'm just gonna add a nude because there's a lot going on in my eyes. I'm just gonna use my favorite combination, which is Cork and then Fresh Brew, like super nude, like literally. And then I'm gonna set my face again. And then I'm gonna zoom out so you guys can see like the whole look. Okay, so this is the finished look. I think it turned out super pretty. I'm like shocked of like this because I'm not the best at makeup, but I'm learning and I'm getting better. So let me know what you guys think. Did I do a good job, or what could I do better? Leave it in the comment section below because I'd love to know your tips and tricks about makeup. But I hope you guys liked it. This is like a super simple look. That's what I do. That's the makeup tutorials I do. They're super simple for like the everyday girl that likes a little bit of color. But I hope you guys enjoyed the first time using Morphe. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I post a video. I think that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next one. See ya!